Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 2 easy DIYs that are fun and creative that you can do when you are bored, and these 2 DIYs can be selected as a DIY room decor. For more awesome videos, please subscribe as well as give this video a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. The things you will need to do our creative DIY are markers and a white sheet of paper. You will start off by writing out the multiplication table, but practically not the multiplication table. So we're going to start off by, I skipped number 1 and number 2, so we're going to start off with number 3. So you're going to be writing out 3 times 1, and then from that you're going to be writing 3 times 3, so that will be 2 times 3, and then 3 times 3, and then 4 times 3. And when you are done with that step, you will go on with the other step that's going to be number 4 and then number 5, and then the numbers that go along. So when you are done with those steps, you will have to fill the whole paper with number multiplication signs and equal signs, and this is the result that you will get when you are completely done filling the whole paper with multiplication numbers, equal signs, and numbers. To the second DIY that we're going to do if you are bored is you're going to need practically the same thing. So you will need a sheet of paper, some markers, and a pen. So I started off by writing the alphabet with pen, and from when I'm done with the writing in pen, I traced over with markers. So I'm tracing the whole alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And when I'm done with the first horizontal line, I'm going and writing the letters along. So it's going to be like a 3D like image or something that you can describe. So when I'm done with the horizontal, I decided to write the alphabet vertical. So I did one column, A, B, C, D. So I just did it by the order of the alphabet, and I started tracing it with different colors of markers because I wanted to be like a little bit more descriptive and a little bit more cute, you know. And you can even put this on a picture frame, and it will look really cute if you put it on a picture frame and just put it like a DIY room decor. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. Bye.